Hello students, today I'm going to talk about a very important topic of mathematics. It's called slope. Well, slope is always related to a line. So I draw three lines here. And slope tells you how steep is a line. Definitely if you see these lines here, 1, 2, 3 lines, three different steepness of these lines. This line is going down, this is going a little bit up, and this is more up steepness. So this line is more steeper than this, and this is going down. So if you pick 2 points on a line, any 2 points, if I say this one, I'm going to say the coordinate point, I'm going to say this one x1 y1, this one I'm going to say x2 y2. Okay, and also remember, slope is the rise over run. I'm going to explain to you what does rise and run means. So this is called, to understand it, we call it rise. How much do I have to rise from this point and run to get to the other point? So you cannot just go straight. You need to go rise or run. Again, if I say this one is x1 y1 here in the other line, and this one is x2 y2, how much do I have to go down? That means negative rise here, negative rise, I'm going down. And how much do I have to go here? This is called run, this is the rise, this is the run, and this is the, this is, made a mistake, this is the rise here, and this is the run. Slope is always rise over run. I'm going to go here to check how do I calculate this rise here. In the coordinate plane, this rise is actually y2, this y2 minus y1. So I'm going to define slope as a m. M means the slope. You should write it down too. Slope, for this purpose, I'm going to say m, should be equal to rise over run. Rise over run. And I showed you what does rise mean in regards to a line. Rise means the difference between the y coordinates of 2 points. So y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. This is the formula of a slope. So if you have a ratio, divide the rise with the run, you will find a number that tells you how steep is your line. So I hope that makes sense. I hope you understand that. Now I'm going to give you an example. So let's see, if I give you, for example, if I give you 2 points. Let's see, 3, negative 5, and if I give you 6, let's see, 9. Okay, so we like to find the slope of a line that goes through these 2 points. So if you want to draw these points in a number line, you can do that. In a coordinate, you can do that, or you can just find this slope by applying this formula. I'm going to show you both ways. To apply this slope formula into these 2 points, I will label it. I'm going to say this one is my x1 and y1. This point is my x2, y2. So these 2 points, like the way I showed you here, these 2 points. For example, let's see, the slope m should be y2, look at this formula, y2 minus y1, y2 minus y1. y2 is 9 minus, from the formula, y1. Which one is y1? Negative 5, negative 5. Over the run, which is x2 minus x1, 6 for the x2, minus x1, which is 3. Let's do the math. 9 minus negative 5. You have 2 negatives. When you have 2 negatives together, you actually, that makes it positive. So 9 plus 5, which is 14. and 6 minus 3 is 3. This number represents the slope of the line that goes through these 2 points. Rise over run. I hope that makes sense. We'll apply this to more work of today's. So again, what is the slope? Slope is the steepness of a line. Slope is the steepness of a line. Let me write it here and you're going to copy it. Slope is the steepness of a line. Thank you. I hope that makes sense.